Hey everybody, welcome back to Everyday Journey. Today we're going to make pickle tea. Just kidding. We're going to make some sun tea in a pickle jar. But I really wasn't sure what it was going to taste like because this thing really reeks of pickle juice. I washed it out the best I could. We'll just have to see what happens. So anyway, we're going to use 2 family-sized tea bags. If all you got is the regular size, then go ahead and use 4 of those. Before we do this though, we're going to need to actually pour some water. If you've never seen anybody pour water, you're not going to see anybody better than this guy. Look at this. He's pouring it all the way to the top. I mean, every last bit. You can't get better than that. Now we got to add the tea. Just put the 2 tea bags in, and I'm actually going to tuck all the excess string inside. So we go ahead and put all the excess in there. We're tighten up the lid, and that way when the tea bags do start to sink, because they're not sinking yet, they'll be able to because it actually has the string in there to allow it to. So we'll go ahead and fast forward for the first 30 minutes. See the tea bags, they're starting to sink down. You can actually see the tea circulating. It's getting a little bit darker, but look there at the top. It's still kind of clear up there. This kind of baffled me. I wasn't sure how it was going to taste because I didn't know if it was going to get enough tea in there. So I just went ahead and went with it, and we'll see what happens. So here's after 1 hour. I haven't done this in a long time, but I thought 1 hour was probably not going to actually work. So I went ahead and left it for 2 hours, and hopefully that will be enough. Here's after 2 hours. To me, it looks dark enough. Let's go ahead and bring it inside and see what it tastes like. Now we go ahead and open it up. Go ahead and pull our tea bags out. Now I recommend actually squeezing the tea bags because I've done this since, and I think it needs a little bit more in there. So go ahead and squeeze those out. Next, we go ahead and pour it into the pitcher. And again, this guy is the best. So if you don't do it as good as this, don't feel bad. He's done it a long time and he's got lots of practice. So because I live in the South, I'm actually going to put a half a cup of sugar in this. Now I would prefer this to be actually a third a cup of sugar, but my family likes it a little bit sweeter, so I compromise. Still got less than what soda's got in it though, so I will go ahead and go with that. Go ahead and stir it up, and from what I've tasted, this actually would probably be better to do for 3 hours. So if you had 3 hours, let it sit out there. 3 hours will work better. It's a little bit weak, and that's why I said I'd probably do this for 3 hours in the future. And here I am, I'm smelling to see if I smell any of the pickles, and I don't smell it. So luckily, and I don't taste it either. This actually tasted pretty good. So I think I'm going to try this to do it more often. That way I'm not using electricity. As always guys, I appreciate you watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you know when another video is coming out. And there'll be another one coming shortly. So until next time, y'all take care.